Install the power cord. Installation of tracheal tube. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the power switch of the tablet computer. Fold back displacement needle. Insert the level. Adjust the equipment to a horizontal state by adjusting the height of the anchor screws at the bottom of the equipment. Remove the level. Double-click the software icon on the desktop to enter the melt flow rate tester measurement and control system. Click to load. The weight bracket descends to the lower limit position. Place the 875 gram weight. Place the 960 gram weight. Place the 1640 gram weight. Place the 1200 gram weight. Place the 5000 gram weight. Place the 1160 gram weight. Click to uninstall. The weight support is lifted to the upper limit position. Push the die plate inward. Place it into the die and allow it to slide along the inner wall of the barrel to the bottom of the barrel. Insert the basic weight into the material cylinder. Set the test temperature. Settings. Start temperature control. Click New Experiment after the equipment reaches a constant temperature. Click the icon for the mass method test to enter the mass method test interface. Input feeding mass. Input test load. Input the number of measurements. Input timer time. Input time interval. Insert the weight stopper into the 10 kg limit hole. Take off the basic weights while wearing heat-resistant gloves. Place the addition funnel. Slowly pour the sample into the feed cylinder. Use the feeding rod to compact the sample. Remove the funnel. Reinsert the basic weights into the material cylinder. Click to load. The weight support descends, and the loading load falls above the base weight. Click timer. After the countdown ends, observe the position of the circular lower scribed line on the load beam. When the current circular scribed line is parallel to the upper surface of the guide sleeve. Click to start the test. The cutting blade rotates once to cut off the invalid spline. Cut the first spline. Cut the second spline. Cut the third spline. Cut the fourth spline. Click uninstall after the test is finished. The weight support has risen to the upper limit position. Wear heat-resistant gloves and remove the basic weights. Wipe the surface of the load bar clean with gauze. Pull out the outlet mold baffle. Use the feeding rod to push out the die and simultaneously catch it. Use a die cleaning rod to push out the residual material from the inner hole of the die. Meanwhile, use gauze to wipe the outer surface of the die clean. Lay the gauze flat above the feeding port. Clean the material cylinder and push it into the cylinder. Wipe the inner wall of the material cylinder up and down repeatedly until it is as bright as new. Push the die plate back inward. Put into the entrance mold. Reinsert the basic weights back into the material cylinder. Weigh the obtained samples individually and record the values. Input the recorded sample mass into the system. The system will automatically calculate the test results. Save. Click OK. Print. Click OK. Select Save Path. Input file name. Save. Close the keyboard. Exit the text interface. Close the software. View the test report. This is the complete experimental operation process.